Hey everyone, my name is Chase Hogan. I'm a project manager here at Accentium, and today I'll be showing you one of the many use cases of n8n while pairing it with Jira and ChatGPT. So what I've done is I've created a scheduled job that's going to pull a Jira filter that I've already set up for the issues in the past day, parse all of the text and data from that ticket, and then send it to a model, and then have a summary sent to email. The goal of this is to have a more kind of holistic view of the updates that happen in Jira over a day. As many of you may know, Jira sends over specific updates from users and will show what was added and what was removed, but sometimes it's hard to actually understand what's going on. So let me just quickly execute this workflow. So like I said, it's going to pull that data from Jira. It's then going to manipulate that data so it's ready for the model. And then after the model responds to the request that I've placed in there for a summary of an email, then it's going to send via Gmail. And now the workflow is done. The model took that data and then an email was sent. And let me pull it up and give you an idea of what this looks like. So it's going to give you the activity grouped by assignee, and you're going to see the change log that's going to not only show like what changes were added, but what specifically that change, what the impact was of that change. So you can see for this ticket I added a video to show why this functionality wasn't working. The impact of that change provides visual aid for understanding the problem. So this gives you kind of a high-level view, and you're able to sift through multiple tickets and see what was actually changed, see last comments. So this is again one of the many applications of n8n in Gen AI. And so if you have any questions or would like to look at how Accentium can implement AI at your firm, please reach out to me directly or anyone from the Accentium team. Thank you and have a good day.